Thank you to all the key workers who have helped keep us safe this year.
I've been delivering prescriptions and helping people that have been shielding. During this pandemic, partnership working has been more important than ever. We've been here to help anybody who needs support and working closely with voluntary groups, food banks, doctors' surgeries, council services and other partners. I'm very proud of what we've achieved this year.
I'd like to say a big well done and thank you to all of the staff who work in schools, who've worked really hard to keep schools open since March in COVID-19. We've had lots of people who've volunteered, which has enabled us to keep our school open 7 days a week, providing childcare, which has allowed key workers to go out and do their essential jobs to keep things going.
I have been at school every single day when the COVID-19 started.
At the start of the pandemic, I guess it was just quite scary and that nobody really knew what was going to happen. But we all just had to pull together just with our new way of life really, and just to carry on. I'm really proud as a food producer of the part that we've played. It's really important to obviously keep the UK going, and we're proud of what we do.
In March, I was asked to lead PPE for the force in the response to COVID-19. It's been a lot of hard work, but we've achieved a lot. It's been important from the start that it's been a team effort, and also that we've worked collaboratively with other agencies, such as Public Health, the councils and the NHS, to keep the public safe.
The commitment everyone has shown, our own teams, the partners we've been working alongside, it's just been incredible. Seeing how many services have adapted to, I'm proud to be part of that. Thank you and stay safe.
Thank you for everybody who's been working behind the scenes and helping keeping things moving. Thank you very much.
I've been working as part of a team from the Highways office here at Thirsk, assisting with things, setting up a COVID test centre in association with the military.
Our libraries are a big part of our communities and a lifeline to many. We've all come together to work hard to make our libraries available to you. And I'm so proud to be a member of Team North Yorkshire.
During the first wave of COVID, I was redeployed to the hospital. But I'm back now working as a health visitor, doing face-to-face contacts with our families at home. Obviously, this has been a really unprecedented time for nursing staff. And I would just like to say a massive thank you to all my friends, colleagues and key workers who have continued to work through this difficult time, supporting families, keeping them safe and just working really hard. Thank you very much.
To all the people working in care homes as well as same at NHS, they all do an amazing job, and the world will be a different place without you lot. Thank you.
We've maintained an excellent quality of care. COVID hasn't been in this home, and we intend to keep it that way, and I'm very, very proud to say that.
Everyone working in retail, whether that's a little local shop or a massive supermarket, you all deserve a huge round of applause.
My job is to sanitise trolleys and baskets, and when I'm doing that I think of my mum, because this is a very important job. That trolley needs to be sanitised thoroughly and properly.
Foster carers are key workers who have been real heroes to children in foster care and children coming into foster care, and we just can't thank you enough for your commitment, passion and hard work.
I couldn't be more happy to work with the North Yorkshire County Council team because you're so very supportive.
It is wonderful knowing that we have all played a part in the fight against COVID and helped to keep our communities safe in North Yorkshire.
Staff at household waste recycling centres and district council teams have worked hard to make sure that bins have continued to be collected and that people have still been able to get rid of their rubbish.
To all of you who've been looking out for your neighbours, even if that's just being there for a friendly chat or getting a few bits from the shops, you really are making a huge difference. And to all our thousands of volunteers who week in, week out have been supporting their communities, you've been amazing.
The one positive thing out of the pandemic is that people have pulled together, people have worked together wonderfully well. And I just want to say a big thank you.
I just want to say a big thank you to the key workers and all involved throughout the pandemic.
I'd just like to say a big thank you to everyone who's on the front line.
Thank you, Team North Yorkshire. Merry Christmas, everyone.